When a leading retailer needed to scale its call center, Insight US answered the call with Azure OpenAI. At Insight, we believe in taking a strategic approach to AI, identifying where it can drive the most value without getting lost in the lofty ideas. For one US-based retailer, that value was clear.
Their call center was overwhelmed. 90% of inquiries needed human agents, leaving customers on hold and employees stretched thin. We knew AI could transform their operations. But before diving in, we hosted an envisioning session, mapping out the most impactful use cases and how to achieve them. The value that we really wanted to add was, how can we use the data that sits within their organization today to start fueling some of the AI workloads that we know could bring them value?
Together, we determined that starting with their call center would yield the biggest impact. And through our partnership with Microsoft, we tapped into Azure Innovate funding, reinforcing that Microsoft believed in this transformation too.
With Azure OpenAI, we deployed a generative AI-powered interactive voice assistant. This solution seamlessly integrated with the retailer's existing architecture, leveraging Azure SQL, PostgreSQL, and Azure Communication Services.
The result? A streamlined customer experience. With the IVA, only 40% of the calls now require a human agent, freeing up employees for higher value work. Now their employees are much more engaged in really solving complex problems, and the end user isn't waiting around to try and get someone to answer a very basic question. But Insight's work didn't stop there. We continue to refine the solution, helping the retailer explore new AI-driven opportunities across their business.
At Insight, we don't believe in cookie-cutter AI solutions. We work hand in hand with our customers, leveraging Microsoft's technology and our expertise to turn their AI visions into reality.
This is just the beginning. Together with Microsoft, we're bringing AI-powered transformation to industries everywhere, one solution at a time.